Hello and welcome back to Reddit. Today we're going to be looking at are animals being jerks? If you enjoy this video at any point, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure to like the fuck. Hello and welcome to Are Animals Being Jerks? If you enjoy this video at any point, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and let's get into the video. It's a monkey. Jeez, what the fuck is he doing? Let me just nibble on your ear for a minute, kitty. Just when you thought it was safe. What the hell? Mine! That's good. Next video. The 8:15 train is delayed. Because fuck you, Brenda. He doesn't even care.
The fuck you say to me, you little shit!
Knocks it over. Alright, next video.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Oh god. Wrong place at the wrong time. Okay, sheep. Oh. You're like, what the hell happened, man? Alright, next video. Dog kills innocent snowman.
The fuck you say to me, you little shit!
Oh my god. That's horrific. No. No more of that, please. I can't show that. That's too violent. Next video. Get in that pool.
The fuck you say to me, you little shit!
Next video. Alright, I'm gonna end this video here. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like. And if you really enjoyed, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Anyway, I'll see you next time. See ya.